Welcome to our 38-day North American road trip. In a few short vlogs, we want to share with you what we experience and see, offer some travel and some photography tips, and maybe inspire your own road trip.
So who are we? We're Julie and Steve, a couple of English Kiwis that sold everything 3.5 years ago and have been travelling ever since. We love outdoor adventures, wildlife and natural wonders. Coming up, we're going to talk a little bit about our route and a pre-taster trip to Mount Rainier National Park.
On our route, we will be chasing waterfalls in Olympic National Park, chilling beach style on Vancouver Island, spying on bears feasting on salmon in Alaska, cruising the 586-kilometre Stewart-Cassia Highway and skating down the Icefield Parkway through Jasper and Banff National Parks. How will we do this? Our uniquely painted van from Escape Campers will be our transport, kitchen and bed. So let's get into this with a pre-road trip taster, Mount Rainier National Park.
Just prior to picking up the van, we spent a week with Gina and Anne, good friends who we met on the Camino de Santiago a couple of years ago. Anne and Gina were great hosts and also great guides for Mount Rainier, which was on their doorstep. Little trivia note, we are friends with Colin Rainier. Colin is the great nephew of Peter Rainier, for whom the mountain is named after. There are two sides to Mount Rainier that most people see. Firstly, sunrise, a little shingly, quite rugged, almost lunar-like. It gets very chilly in the evening, but very quiet as well. And then there's the paradise side. It really is almost paradise. It's like a Swiss chocolate box lid. Lots of meadows and wildflowers, big snow-capped mountain views. Gina and Anne live just 50 minutes south of Seattle, so we jumped on the train and did a quick visit for the day, including a visit to the famous public market and the star attraction Pike's Fish Stall. In the corner is the infamous Gum Wall. After visiting the market, we took part in a historical tour of the city, learning about Chief Seattle. The early settlers couldn't pronounce his correct Duwamish name, so they called him Seattle. And also the Great Fire that took place in June 1889, which basically burned down the entire business district and allowed the city to rebuild again from scratch. Our tips for Mount Rainier: get there early in the morning before the crowds start to arrive. Wear layers. 1 minute you can be very chilly and the next very warm. Obviously sun cream, but also bug sprays. Those mosquitoes can really be hell.
Next time we get up close and personal with some wildlife in Olympic National Park.
We're also going to be introducing a competition to have a little bit of fun as we travel. So if you like this video or vlog, smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time round. Kia ora!